Hey guys, today we'll be painting Klaus Copperthumb the Dwarf Thief from Reaper miniatures to the core level. Firstly, open them up, make sure you recycle your packaging. Grab yourself a sharp blade and trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you're always careful and cut away from yourself. Now I've base coated the entire model with earth brown using my airbrush, but you could easily do this by hand. First off, we'll grab some fair skin and base coat his hands and face. Next up, we'll use some pure black to paint his boots and trousers. Also use this colour to paint the handles on his axes hanging from his belt. Now mix together 50-50 pure black and earth brown on your palette and use this to base coat his beard and moustache. Use some honed steel to paint his axe heads, his dagger and his armour plates. And with that, the base coats are done. Now we move on to the washes. Mix 50-50 fair skin and earth brown and dilute with water until it has the consistency of milk. Wash this over his skin and don't worry if it gets somewhere it's not meant to. You can always paint over those bits when it's dry. Next, dilute some pure black and wash this over all the metal parts on the model. Now take some earth brown and mix it into the black wash we've just created. Leave this a little bit thicker, like cream, because this will be used as a recess wash, where we paint it only into the shadows and recesses instead of washing it over the whole area. Paint this into the folds and shadows of his cloak and clothing. And with that, the model is done. Make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next time.